Hello friends, welcome to another interesting Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to edit wedding photos with very easy way. Just give a 1 minute and you can edit everything. So let's begin the tutorial. This tutorial is going to be very useful for those who edited wedding photos. So first I'm going to select my model. So this one is my model. I'm going to place this one in our background. Just place this one in that position. I think this one is perfect place for my work, and click on remove background. Just give little bit time to removing the background. So my friend, you can see that the background is perfectly removed. Every single part is removed by Photoshop. And next I'm going to adjust the color of my image with background. So I'm not editing this one manually, I am going with automatic system. So just I click on harmonize. It's automatically edit your image. So my friend, the work is done. You can choose any of 3 image. I think this one is look much better. So I think this one is much better. So you can choose this one and you can also save this one. So I'm going with another one. So this one is our another background and this one is our model. So I'm going to place this one in this background. Just adjust this image. Okay, place this one and click on remove background. Okay, this one is done. You can see that the background is perfectly removed. Okay, and next I'm going to adjust the color of my model. So just click on harmonize. Now you can see that the picture is ready. You can choose any of 3. I think this one is perfectly matched, or you can choose this one also. This one is also good. So you can download any of them. So my friend, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.